Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm at the Mumbai airport and we're gonna explore South Korea. So come with me. I finally landed in Seoul. We first got our SIM card from the airport and then took a cab to reach the hotel. I stayed at the Hotel Sky Park Central in Myeong-Dong, Seoul. They gave us a very spacious room from inside, which was filled with multiple robes and skincare.
Tomorrow.
Hi guys, it's day 1 of our trip and we are headed to Lotte World theme park. We're right now in the streets of Myeong-Dong and I just got my subway card from a convenience store and now in Myeong-Dong we found a money exchange thing. Took a subway and directly got off to the entrance of the theme park. We're at the Lotte World theme park. Look at the gorgeous Lotte World, which also gave us a view of the Lotte World Tower. Lot of fun rides to try here, ranging from basic to extremely thrilling ones. But be prepared to wait in long queues. Hi guys, I'm right now at Myeong-Dong and this place is filled with cute cafes and stores. And now we're headed to dinner. Being a vegetarian, for dinner we went to Chon Temple restaurant, which served us Korean traditional food, which was completely vegan. After grabbing a coffee the next morning, we headed to the Gyeongbokgung Palace. The palace is a perfect example of Korean architecture and entry was completely free if you wear a hanbok. I rented my traditional hanbok from a rental right opposite the palace gate. After walking from the palace, I've now reached the Bukchon Hanok village. It's 2:30 and we've come for lunch at a vegan cafe called Vegetus.
Few moments later.
Hi guys, I just got off the bus and now I'm gonna go take an elevator to go to the cable car of the Namsan Tower. Climb a few stairs and you will be greeted by the most incredible view of Seoul. Look at the view from the Seoul Tower. This entire floor of the tower was decorated with way too many colorful locks. It's day 3 and we started off with shopping at Insadong, which is another highly recommended market to shop K-fashion. Look at this shop which specializes only in hats. We then stopped for lunch at a vegan cafe called Maru Kimbap, where we tried tteokbokki, gimbap and ramen and then washed it down with some lemonade. You can also consider Hongdae for shopping and some super cool live performances. We are at COEX Mall. In the mall, you will find the most famous library on Instagram. That's right, I'm talking about Starfield Library. It is filled with multiple books. We then headed to the COEX Aquarium, which was also in the same mall. Various interactive activities to do here, like get a fish manicure, feed a shoal of fish, take a picture with the jellyfish, watch the most entertaining penguin playground.
Later that night.
Hi guys, it's 10:30 p.m. and we're now at the Hongdae River having a picnic, like every K-drama family does. And look at this gorgeous night view. We created our own Indian picnic over here by having some bhel.
The next day.
After grabbing coffee from the Paris Brigade Cafe, I'm now waiting for my bus that I booked on True. The tour started with the rail bike park where we got to pedal and experience different tunnels and amazing views on the way. This tunnel was my favorite. We then visited Nami Island. To reach, we could either take the boat or we could do the zip lines. After leaving the ship, we finally reached Nami Island, where everything was literally so aesthetic. Look at this gorgeous Nami Island. The K-drama Winter Sonata was also shot here. Nami Island also had the India Gate. We also saw some ostriches. To end the trip, we went to the picturesque Italian village. I'm now gonna be having some pizza. And then over to Petite France. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.